In this problem we have 77 divided by 77 divided by 77 times 77. According to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. And now let's start our solution. So first we do this division. We have 77 divided by 77, which equals 1. Now our problem became 1 divided by 77 times 77. So we have to work from left to right. 1 divided by 77, which can be written as 1 over 77 times 77. Now we can easily cancel this 77 and this 77, which equals 1. So our final answer for this problem is just 1.